Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. If any fundamental suspension components on a motorcycle equipped with semi-active or fully active suspension, such as spring struts or the suspension's electronic controller, are repaired or replaced, do a full calibration of the suspension as follows. Select the correct BMW model. Click Electronic Suspension. Click Service Functions. Click Calibration. Click Calibrate SAF. Click Calibrate SAF. Wait for the calibration to be completed.